Okay, here are two Goodman central air conditioning units at a commercial place in Iowa City, Iowa. This one's running. $13 SEER unit. It's a 5-ton from 2021. And then here's this Goodman unit. This one actually kind of looks a little bit older. It's from 2017 and it's a 5-ton, so yeah, this is a little bit older. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. This one has a Broad Ocean motor. But yeah, me and my mom just got done meeting up with some of my autism friends here in Iowa City. We just went bowling, so and me and my mom just went to eat at the pizza ranch around here, and I saw these units, so I figured I'd get a quick video of these units. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.